Shikoku is known for pilgrimage. The Henro Trail circumnavigates the entire island and connects 88 temples dedicated to Kobodaishi, the founder of Shingon Buddhism in Japan. We had to cross one bridge, and in the river you could see all the morning frost. So last night was freezing cold. And best news, today is a mountain day. Let's go another 15k through the city, and then it was very steep, up to 1,000 meters. Temple 60 is up in the mountains, but apparently there is some kind of tsuyaro. Just left Temple 60 now. It was a very cold night, and now I'm on my way down the mountain to the coast where it will be a bit warmer again. And along the way is a waterfall where apparently Kukai the monk meditated and trained to get his enlightenment to enter Nirvana. Temples 61 and 62, which are conveniently now relocated right next to each other, because 62 is apparently closed. It's not part of the official 88 anymore, but I still want to say, hey, it's 88 temples, so they just put up an office, but you can get the stamp from 62. Okay, now Temple 63, and yeah, this one and then 64 will be the last one for today. It's very early in the morning, it's not yet 6 o'clock, but I thought, well, my campsite was shitty right next to the highway and I couldn't sleep properly, so I woke up early. I thought, well, today will be a long day anyway, so why not get an early start and walk into the sunrise. It is cloudy, so you can't really see it, but there's like the red glow coming up, and there's the freaking cold mountains. The long day is roughly 40 kilometers long through small towns and villages. There is a small park with vending machines and toilets on the trail, roughly 3 kilometers before Temple 65, which works perfectly as an overnight stop. Temples 65 and 66 are for today's plan, and then sleep at Temple 66, which is also the highest point on the entire trail. So I'll go up to over 1,000 meters, and they have a tsuyaro up there, apparently with heaps of extra blankets, so that'll be good. Okay, made it to Temple 65. The first tour bus is already here, of course. I'm halfway on my way to Temple 66 in a small basically ghost village. Here's a former school which is closed due to lack of students, I presume. There's still a few people here. It's not completely abandoned. This morning I was still in Ehime. Then I crossed into Tokushima for a little bit, and now I'm in between Tokushima and Kagawa, which marks the point of part 4, entering Nirvana. This morning when I was at Temple 65, the guy told me, it's easy peasy, just 5 hours. Yeah, it took me now 7 hours to get to here, so easy peasy, yeah, not really. Today will be easy peasy day, only downhill, then flat at sea level again. Tick off some temples. Oh, I made it to temple 67. Let's see. Konnichiwa. It started raining again, but luckily I'm at temple 68 and 69, and they're literally right next to each other, so they share one side, so I get 2 stamps in one go, which is awesome. Okay, made it to temple 71, temple 70. The last 2 days of like weird, miserable weather. Today is sunshine finally again, and now I'm on my way to temple 71. And yeah, just enjoying the sunshine again. It feels so good after the last 2 days. Temple 71, up the mountain again, of course. But it's very beautiful. It's now temple 72. Come down the secret passageway. That's now temple 73, right next to temple 72. And the Sensuchi temple, the by far largest temple area on the entire trail. And that's because this here is the birthplace of Kododachi. So it's probably the most important temple on the entire trail. Made it now to temple 76. The view from Marugame Castle shows you what you will see most of the time in the Kagawa prefecture. All the towns in Kagawa have basically grown together to one megacity. And I'm sick. So today will be only 2 temples, 79 and 80. It's roughly 14k. I'm gonna take a train to Takamatsu City and stay in a hostel for a couple of days. Temple 79. What I thought was a temple was the Shinto shrine. The temple is this small thing here. It's on the same side and it's really confusing. It's been 3 days since Temple 80. 81 and 82 are located on each of those mountains. And then in the afternoon I'll drop down to Temple 83, which is in Takamatsu City. Now Temple 81. And of course it's the mountain temple, but it is really beautiful. It's like several, much like a terrace farm. It's like several layers of temples and buildings. I'm now approaching Temple 83, which is in the suburbs and gardens. So like those community gardens that every suburb has them. That was Temple 83 and now I'm on my way to Temple 84. Before what I will have a stopover at my hostel, which is like halfway to 84. And I've already been walking for an hour and a half roughly to get out of Takamatsu. But now I'm on the foot of the Yashima Plateau, where Temple 84 is located. On top, of course. But luckily it's only like 300 meters high. So there it is. Here is Temple 84. And perfect timing, it started to rain. Ah, lovely. I made it to Temple 86 after a full day of walking in the rain again. There's now Temple 87, and it looks very clean and organized compared to 86 we were this morning, or last night. Slowly but surely making my way up to Temple 88. And it's just like, of course Temple 88 has to be on the other side of a big mountain. So I have to climb up the mountain and then drop it down halfway to get to the last temple. Temple 88, 1200 something kilometers plus detours and getting lost along the way.